Was the Rage Coalition event a political rally?
Palagay ko po, sapagkat ang nandoon po na mga political party po ng PDP laban at yung pong reforma na pinamumulaan po ng dating Speaker Bebot Alvarez.
Alright. And as a lawyer and as a former dean ba, director or current dean?
Former po.
So as a
nag-resign na po.
lawyer and a former dean, you are aware that political speech is constitutionally protected.
Depende po kung anong talumpati, you have to qualify.
And unless we are under martial law again, Mayor Baste should be able to freely express his dissent to the government.
Your Honor, that is speculative.
Let the witness answer. He is competent to answer that question.
Unang-una, tama naman po kayo, wala namang martial law ngayon at pwede naman po magsalita. But the freedom of expression has limitation also. Kung ito po ay buong nagbabiolate na ng batas at nakakasama na sa ating bayan, ay hindi naman po ito kasama na sa freedom of expression.
Alright. But my question to you is this: did he directly urge the people to overthrow the government in that rally?
Ang sinabi po niya, base sa aking testimonya, ay isang ulo lang ang gusto namin, ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos. At kung matatandaan po ninyo, ay correlated it dun sa mga dati pa mga pangyayari. Hindi lang po yung event at sinabi na yun ang aming nagagbasehan base sa aming pamantayan po sa pag-assess po ng pantaon ng trip.
But that was your own interpretation.
That is not only my interpretation, but is the interpretation of the National Bureau of Investigation based on the standards that we follow, consistent to the standards
Alright.
that we're following.
Is it your interpretation that those also demonstrate destabilization efforts?
Please repeat, pakiulit po,
Is
sir.
it also the NBI's interpretation that those remarks constitute destabilization?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
No, if the witness can
If he
answer.
knows,
Ano pong particular na sinabi?
That speech by Mayor Baste, in general.
Yung pong kanyang sinabi na ang ulo lamang ni Bongbong Marcos ang kailangan namin at sabi ko nga, in correlation to the other events, applying the 5-factor standards that we'll be using, which is recognized by other jurisdiction, dun po kami nagkaroon po ng conclusion.
Sorry, Director, I didn't quite get your answer. So, are you saying that that's destabilization or no destabilization?
Misleading, Your Honor.
no, the director hasn't answered yet. He cited the basis, but cut short of answering the question. So, is it based on the 5 pillars of your investigation, Director?
Well, dun po yan, based on the 5 pillars na natin po, lumalabas po na isa dun sa elemento ng 5 pillars, it comply po.
So,
Sumasagot po doon.
So, meron.